So guys, as promised, welcome back to Cooking with Her Spoon. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to make delicious chicken salad. So I've already gotten my boneless, skinless chicken breast cooked, and all I did was rinse those off. I used salt in the water to cook those, and then I strained the water and I let them cool. And I always go and I clip like the gristle part off on the edges. So I like to clip that off. And then I have my eggs already boiled and peeled. So my chopper right here, let me move that so you guys can see. My chopper here is Love. I put my egg in there like such. Don't have something on right. Okay. Hold on, having technical difficulties here. Oh, might help if I plug it all the way in. Duh. I was about to say, what's going on with my chopper? So I have my chopper here again, okay. I chop my egg up like that. I used to take and cut it with a knife, but that is for the birds. This is so much quicker, so much easier. I'm telling you, this little chopper is so good. It's $10 at Walmart. $10. One of the best things I could have ever purchased for my kitchen. And anytime y'all see me come on, just abruptly, just come on. I've already washed my hands. I'm very big on sanitation, so hands are always clean. That's why they're so dry. Stay dry all the time, but it's okay. So now that I've chopped my eggs, I'm just going to cut my chicken in chunks and just put it in my chopper. Easiest way. I used to take a handheld chopper. Let me see if I got a, yeah. This very handheld chopper right here and chop my chicken. Oh, those days are gone. I learned better. So here's my chopper. Chopping up my chicken for me. Okay. I got a chunk that was left, so I'm going to put it there. I'm going to bring my bowl closer since I got my lights are cool now. Look at that. The best thing ever. Put that chunk back in that didn't get chopped. I'm going to cut my gristle off the side here. Like so. And I always like to cut out that little piece right there, that little bristly type piece. Cut it. And it won't take me long. I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious chicken salad. So, salad dressing. This is my favorite. The only thing I use in my chicken salad. Whipped salad dressing, Food Line brand of all things. Yes, I use off-brand salad dressing for my chicken salad. And it is delicious. Delicious. I'm telling you, once you ever get used to making chicken salad, your family is gonna love it. It's a perfect, what I'm gonna do with this today, I'm gonna make chicken salad finger sandwiches. Y'all excuse me, because I'm very funny about stuff. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just get that cut in chunks. I'm going to take my bristle pieces, put them in my little trash bowl out of the way. That way I can be good and ready to have my chunks ready to go in the chopper after I finish this one that I'm getting ready to chop up. So, last piece of chicken I need to take the bristle off of. Some people might not care. I don't want to cut the gristle up in mine. I don't think that's delicious at all. And I don't think my family will like it because they've never had it cut up in it. Some people just cut up anything, just chop anything. Now, some people do it the old-fashioned way. I say old-fashioned because that's how my mom used to do it. She would use a whole chicken, and she would take the chicken off the bone. I don't like to do that because it's too much work to me. To me, it's too much work. So, okay, I got my chunks cut. So all I have to do now is just finish chopping really quick. And it literally takes seconds to chop this chicken once you get it put in this chopper. Walmart, again, $10. Can't beat it. You're going to love yourself for buying one because I know I love myself for buying this one. It's made my life so much easier. I even have one at my cupcake shop that I chop my cookies up in, where I used to hand chop. Cannot believe I used to hand chop stuff and then got this, and I'm like, what in the world was I thinking? I think my sister told me about this. I wonder if she was the one. Trying to get that chunk to go down, but it didn't. Almost done. One more go, and the chicken will be chopped. Okay? And that's that. Alright, throw this in the sink. And now, the moment of truth. This is another food that I like really cold. Really, really cold. So, I put me 1, 2 hefty size, 3, 4 tablespoons of salad dressing, whipped salad dressing. And we'll see how far it goes. We may need more, we may not. So, take and stir it around. Get it good and incorporate it. Can y'all see that? Make sure you got all your chicken nice and incorporated. Like such. Yummy. See that? Okay. Now we're going to add all of our eggs. I love the eggs, so all the eggs go right into the bowl of chicken with the salad dressing. You mix that well, like so. And then, because I put salt in my chicken when I was cooking it, we're not going to add raw salt to the chicken. But we are going to add sugar. And you add, like I say in many of my videos, I'm not going to do measuring for the most part. You just kind of know. I've been cooking since I was like 14 years old, so you just kind of know after a while. And you got your black pepper. Sugar, black pepper. See that? And lastly, sweet salad cubes. Not relish, but sweet salad cubes. And I love the Mount Olive brand. They're based right here in my state. So, sweet salad cubes. And I don't like too many salad cubes. So, just enough. And then you incorporate that really, really good. And 9 times out of 10 when I'm making this chicken salad, I don't even taste it to see how it tastes until I get ready to eat it. So it's one of those you get what you get things, because I've been making it for so long and I've made it so many times that I pretty much can gauge what needs what. You guys see that? That you hear that sound. That's good chicken salad. That's not dry. That's not too full of salad dressing. Delicious. See that? How it falls? It's not stiff. It's not heavy. It's not too loose. Just right. All right, guys. Give me some thumbs up, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, post them below. Thank you.